everyone. I just wanted to say that I am excited about the new year. I have so many goals and so many things that I'm working on, as I'm sure you are as well. But before I continue, let me say my eyes, if I'm looking a little, my eyes are looking a little glassy. I just got my lashes done like 30 minutes ago. So you know how your eyes feel kind of weird. So that's why my eyes look like this. But anyway, so tonight I'm having a vision party at my house. It is going to be me, my sister, and our daughters. And so I'm making queso. We're gonna eat, play games, make our vision board, maybe make a TikTok video. So stay tuned for that. That may be in this video, I'm not sure. But right now I'm in the parking lot of Michael's. So I'm gonna go inside and look for a board to be able to put all my pictures on for my vision, and then my daughters and maybe some of the my daughters or my niece, maybe they're gonna do an electronic one. They say they're gonna do theirs on their iPad. I'm like, go ahead, but I want a hard copy. Like I want mine like something I can touch, because I'm actually gonna hang it in my office. So I will look at it every day, and it'll help remind me of my goals for 2023. And I really want to make this an annual thing. So at the end of 2023, when we come back, I want everybody to bring their vision boards, and we're going to actually take off things that, you know, happen for us, add new things. So I'm really excited about us having this accountability piece within our family. So I wanted to share this with you and kind of show you how we set it up in case you want to do a vision board party. You can do it any time of the year. All right, guys, so I'm about to go into Michael's and see what I can find, and I'll let you know what I end up getting. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so here's what I end up getting at Michael's. I'm going to get this 6-piece Canvas Super Value Pack. So it comes in the 6-pack. And then I have some stickers here. We can put stickers on our board. I have these little textured sheets where if we want to make borders or something, very cute. And then, of course, my glue. And then this is just because I'm starting to try to organize my closet. So I'm just, that's a long story, another story. Anyway, so this is what I have. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but I don't know what all we need. But we're going to start with this and go from there. So, yep, let me go check out. Okay, guys, so I am back home. I'm getting ready for this vision board party. I am cooking nachos. As you can see, I got my meat here and got on my little pajamas. We're wearing pajamas tonight. So yes, so getting ready for everybody to come. And so we're so excited. Okay, guys. All right, guys, I am making some queso. I am browning my sausage meat. So this is some sausage meat I'm browning. So I just brown that. I usually like to get the sausage with sage, but they didn't have it, so this is the hot. So it's going to be a little bit more spicy, but that's okay. I also browned some ground beef as well. So I used 2 different kinds of meat. This is the ground beef, and it's draining right now. I'll mix both of those meats in the queso. Okay, so now I'm going to chop up my Velveeta cheese. So I'll just chop this up in little pieces and put it in my crock pot. And then I'll add the other ingredients in just a minute, but this is the first step. Okay, so my cheese is cut up and in the crock pot, and I just dumped in a can of Rotel Mexican style lime and cilantro. And then once that kind of melt down, I'll add my meat and I'll add some milk. And yeah, gotta keep going. Okay, I added a little milk to it, so it'll help make it more creamier. Just do a little bit of milk, not too much. You can always add more, but if you add too much, it's gonna be too soupy. So yeah, that's my next step. Okay, next I'm going to add this sausage to my mixture. I've already added a little milk. So now I'm going to add 1 whole package of sausage. And then I'll add my beef here in a minute after I mix this up. Now I'm adding the ground beef to the mixture. When you do your ground beef, make sure you season your meat. Sorry about that. Make sure you season your meat while you're browning it, so it'll have some flavor to it. So let's just stir this up. It's still really thick because it still needs to melt. So we're going to probably add some more milk here in a minute just to kind of help loosen it up. And once it melts, it'll be so delicious. I normally add a little cream cheese, but I didn't have any. So I'm not adding the cream cheese today, but it's still going to be delicious. Okay, we'll be back shortly. Guest is arriving. Who is my first guest? This is Sydney, my baby girl. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hi. Wait, hold on. Sorry, okay, my hair. Okay, you might have to cut this out. Hi, everybody.
Hi, are you excited about our vision party?
I am.
All right. All right, let's go ahead and just relax and get comfortable.
Okay.
Say hi, Bella. Hi, see everybody. Okay, she's so excited. Okay, let's see who our next guest is right now. Who is the next guest? It is Summer, my oldest daughter. Hi, Summer.
Hello.
And of course, what do kids do when they come home? They bring their laundry.
Love things.
How are you, Summer?
Good.
You excited about the vision party?
Yes.
Okay, where's Mars? Hi, Mars. Hello, everyone. Do y'all need a vision for 2023 too?
I already know what Bella's vision is.
Okay. All right, guys. That's guest number 2. Okay, so our next guest that's coming is, let's see who it is. Oh, Summer, get Mars. I think Mars may run down the street. Will he?
Not if Bella's here.
Sometimes this one right here will run down the street. Okay, let's see who it is. And it is Paige, my niece. Hi, Paige. Are you excited about the vision board party?
I am. I'm ready to create some vision.
Good. Okay, awesome. Well, come on in. So this is Bella and her cousin Mars. This is what they do every time they get together. And we're just here on the couch. Let me show you what we're doing. We're just sitting around, relaxing, drinking wine. Yep, we're waiting on my sister, the star of the party. She'll be here soon. And yeah, we're gonna get started. They've already eaten. And so we're just hanging out and the dogs are having a good time. Okay, what am I doing at this vision party? I am on the sofa, laid out. Y'all don't know this, but I've been having some issues with my back. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. I don't even want to get into that right now. Just know that I'm here on the sofa. I'll be getting up in a minute, but I have ice on my back right now. So, yeah, just kind of waiting to get this party started. Okay, our next guest is here, our final guest, the superstar. And this is my amazing sister, Katina. Are you excited about the vision board party?
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. My son.
Oh, the dog got left outside?
No.
Wait, what's happening?
Mars got.
Is Mars running down the street? Bella, come back. Oh my gosh, he is all the way across the street. Mars, he is taking. You want to get the snack bag or something? Or Bella will listen.
What snack bag? Oh.
Like something to shake to say,
Yeah. Because I think that works with Mars.
But we didn't think he would do that if that, like, normally he'll come on back in. Here.
I have that. What bag is that?
Your daughter's.
Girl, it's probably my damn bag. Oh. Good job, Summer.
You okay, Summer?
You guys, what were y'all thinking? Mom.
How'd you get him to come back in?
I just chased him.
You okay?
It's the longest. Mom, yeah. When?
Okay, maybe they need to be locked up during the party or something, because I don't know if they're going to act right.
Sorry, Belle.
I don't know. Freedom. Right.
None of you.
Just saw an open door and I took it. Vision board party. Did you have some great visions?
I did. I'm
Awesome.
excited.
About the new year
Yes.
coming up. Okay. Well, y'all.
You thought the camera was gonna be flipped? What were you doing? She was like, okay, okay, y'all. The camera was flipped.
And I was like, man, it was
It was upside